Let's learn how to delete your comment history on TikTok. So welcome back to another simple TikTok video, everyone. If you want to delete a comment from some video that you made a while ago on TikTok, then I'll show you how you can do exactly that. The first thing that we'll do is to open the TikTok application on our device, and then let's go over to our TikTok profile. Make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account, and then we'll tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. The next step is to open the TikTok settings, so just tap on the Settings and Privacy option. We now have to find an option in here that's called Activity Center. That is where all of our different interactions will be regarding our TikTok account. Since we want to delete our comment history, we will select the Comment History section, and that is going to open a list with all of the different comments that we had made with our TikTok account on other people's videos. In order to delete our comment, we have to click on it, and that's going to open the comments section on that video. We can see our comment at the very top, so long hold on that comment, and then click on Delete. That's going to remove our TikTok comment from the video. Sadly, there isn't a Delete All button because TikTok doesn't give us that option. So in order to delete the comment history, we will have to delete our comments manually, one by one. But that's about it for this video, guys. If this was helpful and you were able to delete your comment history on TikTok, then make sure to like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.